So like, hello, it's part 2. And like, this is me without a filter.
Sana all kayong merong french fries. Okay lang, pwede naman pumili. Especially gusto ko bumili ng malaking to.
So like,
Hindi mo yun na-hear
I did. So like,
No, you didn't.
my favorite thing to eat as a healthy snack is possibly healthy chips. Vegetables shared with a vegetable.
Yummy hair. Yummy hair. Kanina nga kanain ni Luna yung hair. Ni Ate Mimi. Nakita ko merong hair sa kamay niya. Nakita ko merong hair doon sa mouth niya. Tapos punol ko, sabi ko, grabe ang haba. Sabi ko, what the hell? What the hell? Holy Jesus!
Don't say what the hell. Say what the hair.
The hair. What the hair? Oh.
So, my favorite
Grabe
thing.
ang laki ng nose ko. Tingnan mo. Ano ba yan? Lumabas na yung sipon.
They're not Filipino. My subscribers are not Filipino. They're from America or USA, California, I don't know.
Or Pilipinas.
More bro.
Ayan, nakita niyo yung kilikili ko, no?
So, they're not, So,
It's melting.
yeah, that's
Of course it's melting because of this sun. That sun right there. I call that a sun. Kunakol ko yung light ng sun. Tapos yung fan, sana sabi kong air. Tsaka yung air, tsaka yung sun. Ito yung light shining. Oh!
ASMR.
Tingnan mo, parang
ASMR nga eh.